Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V19 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take a screenshot and long screenshot from your phone Vivo V19. First of all, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. Here I want to take a screenshot from this Google Chrome page. I open Google Chrome and I search something like faculty on. Faculty on. This is my own website from which I want to take a screenshot. So by first method, use power button and volume down button together. Just press power button and volume down button together to take a screenshot. Yes, this is normal screenshot. For taking long screenshot, again do the same, that is press power button and volume down button together and click on long screenshot in the captured image. And move up like this and click on done. Yes, this is a long screenshot using buttons option. If you want to edit, use editing tool. There are various editing tools. This is to highlight something on the screenshot. And click on the tick mark. Click save finally. Yes, long screenshot is saved now. This is first method. Then next method, swipe down screenshot. That is with 3 fingers, just swipe down along the screen. This is normal screenshot. For taking long screenshot, again do the same. Swipe down with 3 fingers. Swipe down like this. And click on the long screenshot in the captured image. And scroll the image like this. Click done. This is a long screenshot using 3 fingers swipe down. If you want to edit, use editing tool. And after editing, click on tick mark and click on the save button finally. This is second method. Then there are also several methods. For that, you go to set it first, go to the settings on your phone. And click on shortcuts and accessibility. Click on easy touch and turn on easy touch option. This is easy touch bar. And as usual, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot and click on easy touch bar. There you will see screenshot icon. Just click that. Yes, this is normal screenshot. For taking long screenshot, again do the same. Select screenshot icon from easy touch option and click on long screenshot in the captured image. Now scroll like this. This is long screenshot. Click done finally. And if you want to edit, you can use editing tool. And after editing, click on tick mark. Click on save button finally. This is third method of taking screenshot. Then there are also other methods. For that, you go to the S capture. First, as usual, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot and go to the notification area and here select S capture option. Here click on long screenshot icon and this is for only taking long screenshot. Using S capture, you can use only long screenshot option, that is first option in S capture is long screenshot. Just use that and click on done. This is the long screenshot using S capture long screenshot. And if you want to edit, you can use editing tool. And after editing, click on the tick mark and click on save button finally. There are also other methods in S capture. Again, go to S capture from the notification. Here, click S capture and click on this time rectangular. So you can take a rectangular screenshot on the screen. So draw like this. That area will be the rectangular screenshot. Just click save. I do it from the Google Chrome page. And go to the notification area. Click on rectangular. And I do this rectangular screenshot in the Google Chrome page, that is on my web page. Click on save. Yes. This is a screenshot. If you want to edit, use editing tool. After editing, click on the tick mark here and click on save button here. Still there are more options in S Capture. For that, again go to the notification area and click on S Capture and click on funny screenshots. Here first option, shaped screenshots. There are various shapes. Just you can use those shapes. I use this shape. According to this shape, screenshot area will be decided. So you can also modify the shape like this and click on save button. This is the shape screenshot using this option. If you want to edit, use editing tool. After editing, click on the tick mark and click on save button finally. Still there are so many shaped screenshots, number 4. Again go to the notification area and click on S Capture and click on funny screenshots, shaped screenshots. Here you can use other shapes. You can also use single shapes or combination of all shapes. So here I use another 2 or 3 shapes. So this area, that shaped areas will be the screenshot here, and if you want to edit, use editing tool. After editing, click on the tick mark here and click on save button finally. Yes, this is the shaped screenshots using funny screenshots. Again I go to S Capture, shaped screenshots, and here this time I use another option, second option. This is irregular shape screenshot. So just draw irregular shape like this and that area will be the screenshot. And if you want to edit, you can use editing tool. Save it first and click over it and click on editing tool. And you can edit this screenshot. Click on the tick mark and click on save button finally. Again I go to S Capture from notification and click on shaped screenshot and click on this option. That is this is doodle type of screenshot, that is just erase on the screen. That erased area will be the screenshot. So I erase like this. Roughly I erase like this, and yes, click on save. This is the screenshot, doodle type of screenshot, and if you want to edit, use editing tool. After editing, click on the tick mark and click on save button finally. So these are all the screenshot methods in our phone Vivo V19. If you want to locate the file, go to the file manager and click on local files. Click on device storage, click on DCIM and click on screenshots folder, and you will see all the screenshots here. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.